What's up, YouTube? I'm Cullum Costello, and in today's video, we'll be talking about some pink yield penny stocks that should be moving to pink current status shortly. Some of these companies are also shell companies that are looking for a merger, so that could also be an upcoming catalyst. Stick around, you guys, and see if these penny stocks are something that you want to put your eyes on. Please keep in mind that the stock market, and especially penny stocks, are very risky, so don't invest any money that you're not willing to lose, and as always, do your own research. Now let's get into the video. Here we are on OTCmarkets.com under TONR Stock or TONR One World Holdings. I'm going to briefly scan through the description and I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to check this out yourselves. It states that One World Holdings is a developmental company that used to be the provider of multicultural doll products, but right now it says the company currently has no current operations and has plans to merge with an operating cryptocurrency, DeFi or fintech business. The company would, in the alternative, acquire and consolidate an asset roll-up to become a profitable enterprise. Areas of interest include mining, cryptocurrency operation, green energy, digital banking, real estate lending, residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. TONR One World Holdings is a pink yield shell company looking to effect a merger with a cryptocurrency, DeFi, or fintech business. So there's two upcoming catalysts, one when they go pink and another one when they announce the letter of intent. Now let's take a look at the stock charts for TONR stock, but first, you guys, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button down below. It helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. It'll also help other investors learn about these penny stocks. Here's the 6-month one-day candlestick chart for TONR stock. So each of these candles would represent how the stock traded in one day over the last 6 months. TONR stock has gone on a tear lately, trading all the way up to over 0.0125 cents, and in my opinion, it's a little overextended. In the near term, I'll be watching the level for support at right around a penny to see if it holds there. If it falls through there, I would expect it to fall right down around 0.008. However, if we do see this go pink current and a letter of intent to merge with a company, we could see this continue north. All right, you guys, the next penny stock we're going to talk about is no stranger to the channel, and it's SANP stock for Santo Blockchain. I believe this company does have long-term potential. The CEO, Frank Iglesias, has been hinting on Twitter about connections in Panama. So if we see pink current soon, I think we could see some press releases. Now let's look at a brief description for those of you that don't know what Santo Blockchain does. Here we are under SANP for Santo Mining Corporation. I have made previous videos on SANP stock. You can click the card above if you're interested in a more detailed video. Santo Blockchain Labs is a vertically integrated blockchain and cryptocurrency company that manages, operates, and develops end-to-end blockchain as a service. Similar to software as a service, blockchain as a service lets businesses get applications up and running with minimal hassle. This allows higher agility and quicker blockchain adoption. And if we scan down to the bottom there, we see additionally the company develops solutions such as smart digital contracts, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, digital to physical assets tokenization, extended reality, and Internet of Things for everyday life. Now let's take a look at the stock charts for SANP stock. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about stocks and more ways to make money. Here's the 6-month one-day candlestick chart for SANP stock. SANP stock looks to have traded down all the way from 3.5 cents to find a bottom and is finally starting to make an uptrend again, in my opinion. What I would like to see from SANP stock is to break that resistance level of 0.004 and hold it as support. I do believe this is very possible with an announcement of becoming pink current and also following press releases. I'll be watching that trend line to make sure the primary trend is not broken, and I'll also look for higher highs and higher lows. All right, you guys, now that we've looked at the stock charts for SANP stock, that brings us to our next penny stock, which is BIEI stock for Premier Biomedical. First, let's take a look at the description to see what this company does, and then we'll look at the stock charts. You guys, please keep in mind that you can always leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Here we are under BIEI stock or Premier Biomedical stock. Premier Biomedical is part a research-based company that primarily intends to discover and develop medical products. Their current focus is on the distribution of pain management products. Their current pain management products are made from hemp oil extracts and include roll-on applicators, pain relief patches, creams, and pump spray applicators. Premier Biomedical also conducts research and development of proprietary drugs and techniques to target cancer, multiple sclerosis, and other diseases. Here's a 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for Premier Biomedical or BIEI stock. BIEI stock has ripped all the way up to 0.007 cents lately on news of becoming pink yield. For BIEI stock, I'd be watching the level of right around 0.0049 to see if it holds as support. If it falls through there, we could see it hit 0.004, and without news or any updates, we could see it fall down into the 0.0035 range. Of course, if we see this go current and any press releases or updates, we could see this move north towards Pennyland. Alright you guys, that was BIEI stock or Premier Biomedical stock. Now let's talk about our next penny stock, which is ticker symbol INTK for Industrial Nanotech stock. Let's look at a brief description and then we'll check out the stock charts. Here we are on OTCmarkets.com under INTK stock or Industrial Nanotech Incorporated stock. INTK funds and participates in research with the world's brightest scientists and leading laboratories. They produce materials that work for you, increasing productivity and efficiency. Industrial Nanotech was incorporated in 2004 and specializes in developing sustainable nanotechnology-based solutions that are easy to use and designed to save energy, protect assets, and reduce carbon footprints. Their technologies help the world save energy, protect assets, and live and work more sustainably. The company's products are sold through a global network of distributors. Alright you guys, now that we've got a brief description of INTK stock, we're going to take a look at the stock charts to see how the share price has been behaving. Please keep in mind these are penny stocks and they're not traded on Robinhood or Webull. I use E-Trade, it's just a personal preference, and I've provided a link in the description down below if you're interested. Here's the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for INTK stock or Industrial Nanotech stock. INTK stock has been thrown in some big bottom tails, but recently it's been bouncing off the level of 0.0079 and trying to hold that as support. However, if it does fall through 0.0079, we could see it bounce off 0.0066, which would be the previous level of resistance that may hold as support. If we did fall through the area of 0.0066, the next level I'll be looking to add is right around 0.5 penny. I'm not stating that INTK stock will fall to these levels, these are just simply the levels that I'd be watching to add. Right now it appears INTK stock is putting in lower highs, so we could see it consolidate around one of these areas. However, the announcement of pink current could trigger a reversal. Alright you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the end of the video of pink yield penny stocks that should be going current soon. Now do me a favor and leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate you all greatly. Till next time, you guys, I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.